back to my channel. We are continue to make Avijan consistent update. The topic talking about Avijan in Beijing is coming back. Now we start with Avijibu's picture. Yesterday Avijibu airport picture is looking. To see this picture, it has many ideas of finding where he's going. At the beginning of the picture looking at the airport, one's account said she a passenger available was spotted in New Zealand. When this picture was leaked from her account, we are happy to see this because he has his time to travel, and some said he will enjoy his birthday at New Zealand. Showing this, it also has opposite ideas coming. Some said Avijibu's picture at the airport from her account is AI, and said she just created for more attention. We're not sure what she wants. If we try to find more evidence of the picture, we wonder where Avijibu's security guys, why he was alone and not any bankages. This is also what we note from her picture update. To confirm us the picture, she said Avijibu's picture is in VIP area. So what do you think about her reference? Anyway, showing this analysis about Avijibu's airport picture, Avijibu's Weibo has post from Beijing. So what the currently is Avijibu? To see Avijibu's update, it also has rumor of Avijijan families meet in Beijing for celebrate Avijibu's birthday. And tomorrow, Avijijan will fly to Shanghai. There is also the rumor of YSL Beauty Auslan event in Hong Kong on 19th of this month. This is only tomorrow, but today hope everybody enjoyed their time. And now, all the news picture of Avijibu in New Zealand just released. What do you think? Another AI picture just making to surprise Avijibu's birthday party in Beijing with his family. Anyway, stay tuned for more updates on his birthday. Should be in New Zealand or Beijing. During Avijibu's birthday of 29, we also celebrate our Idol Day in Cambodia. Thank you so much everyone for your support, particularly Juni Brady. I found a green one here. Yeah, the green one. So many right now. And here for the sticker. Đấy, bọn đã pass up còn ở đây nè. Làm bà lan vào đấy. Không lông vờ. Màu ơi, hai kia chăm dân nôm.
កណាប្រកែនដាច់កូនសិនក្មេងៗចាំក្រោយបងកែបហើយគ្នាមើលគ្នាមានបានអ្នកមកឈរត្រង់ជួសិនមកអូយឈរថតអានមកមកឈរចិត្តមកបាញ់លឹកខោទៅអាកហើយមកឈរថតមួយមិញមកតោះចាំទៅថតមួយមិញមកតោះទៅមកចាំវគ្គក្រោយមិញយើងមកឲ្យញ៉ាំទៀតបាត់ចុះចាបង1 2